Hello my dear friends, welcoming all of you with loads and loads of love. This is the season of Rath Yatra. The June month is going on, followed by the July, and I just felt compelled to share as many stories as I can about Jagannath Ji, his miracles, his magic. So today I just felt I need to share one beautiful story of Jagannath Ji, that how his temple came into the Dham or the Puri. So yes, you know, there's a saying according to the Oriya Gathas, the scriptures, as well as in the ancient Sanskrit scriptures also. During the ancient times, the Shabur or the wheels, Shabur means they were the hunters who used to live in the forest. And the Shaburs or the wheels, you can say Santhals also, the forest dwellers. That time they used to worship the Nil Madhov, the name of the god. He was another avatar or incarnation of Vishnu. And the Santhals or the forest dwellers or the wheels, they used to worship Nil Madhav in the forest temple, which is on top of the mountain. And here one thing I must tell or share with all of you, that see, these people are the wheels or the forest dwellers, and according to the social status, like as we know now, what is called the Vaishyas, Shudras, Brahmans and Kshatriyas. Yes, Brahmans, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. Now the wheels of the Santhals, they were regarded even lower than the Shudras. But see the amazing thing, the Nil Madhav god, he used to be worshipped by the Santhals or these forest dwellers or the Shaburs. So to him, there was no bar of status, caste or any other thing. Now coming back to the story thing, then what happens? The question comes in how he got over there. This was in the forest thing. Now after that, what happens is, you know, somehow the king of Orissa, Raja Indradumna or King Indradumna, he got this news that the wheels or the Shudras, they worship the great god in the forest, in the mountains. Now he was a devout Vishnu follower, and so he wanted to go to that temple of Nil Madhav and he wanted to see him. But the thing is, he didn't know how to, because once he tried, but that time he was being defeated. He was being defeated by the Vil King. And the name of the Vil King was Vishwavasu. He defeated King Indradumna. So next time it was not possible for Indradumna to go and, you know, to check God and to worship him, to see him. So this time what he does is, he sent his priest. He sent many people along with his priest. What is his name? I'm just forgetting. I'm just forgetting the name right now. I'll just check the name once again. So he sent his priest that you go and check with the Vil King if he allows me to come and see the, you know, the god in the temple. So now he goes there in order to check, and okay, fine, the Vil King agrees. So now the Raja Indradumna, he goes to the Nil Madhav's temple. But unfortunately, when he reaches there, what he found was that the idol of the Lord Nil Madhav was not there. The idol or the murti just vanished from the temple. So at this, the king became very, very sad, and he comes back to his palace, and with this sadness in his heart, with the pain in his heart that he cannot see the idol of so the King Indradumna, he became very sad, and he was full of pain in his heart, and he just decided that there is no point of keeping this life anymore, so I want to die and I will die. And you know, that time the kings and those people do have that power of, you know, because they were so spiritual, so they had that power in them, swa-ichha. They can even die also with the swa-ichha thing because of their spiritual power. So now when he already decided ki, because I cannot see Nilmadhav, so there is no point of keeping this life anymore, so I just want to die. And so when he was nurturing this thought in his heart, that time he gets, you know, as we say the Bhavishyavani, or you know, in the air, he gets certain messages. That's how it comes by. And it was Lord Vishnu. His sound Raja Indradumna gets obviously in his dreams. It is not that everyone will be hearing. No, this kind of things comes in the dreams. Now Lord Vishnu tells Raja Indradumna, don't be so saddened, don't lose heart, because you are the king who is going to make and establish the temple of Jagannath in Puri, where Nilmadhav is going to be worshipped for all and everyone. So do not lose heart. So in this way, later on, Raja Indradumna, he establishes or makes the temple of Puri, and thereby the Jagannath's Murti or the Nilmadhav starts getting worshipped over there. So this is what and how in Puri Nilmadhav or Jagannath comes. So I just wanted to share this little glimpse of the story about Lord Jagannath Dev, and I hope you love the story. Thank you all. Jai Jagannath.